I'm not in it. R. Nothing good so far. Fit, that's not even scary. It's
oh my god.
Is that a dead person?
No, he was alive. Now he's dead.
How can you kill people? It makes no sense.
I'm shaking. Holy fuck.
How's that even scary?
Hello.
This is pussy.
No, this is weak stomach. You're not even filming me. Oh my god!
Isn't it gorgeous?
Oh. Look at me, I'm actually shaking.
Freak. Stick a screwdriver in his eye.
Oh, I'm actually shaking.
How can someone take that much pain?
He's dead, Chloe.
Did the police arrest him?
It lasts for 7 minutes. Ew. Oh my Christ.
Oh look, a bit of brain.
Oh my god. I'm so glad I've hardly eaten today.
Oh look, his stomach's moving.
Oh no, I just forgot what I had for tea. No.
Right, she's about to puke. Ciao.